In this short video, I'm going to run through the difference of a website that was built 10 years ago as to what a website looks like today, with just some of the modern functionality and features that just come out of the box with the advancements of technology and things like that. Stay tuned. Hey guys, it's Matt here from Tradie Web Guys, and I'm coming at you today with a case study of a client of ours who's recently had their website updated. Now, their old website was built a very, very, very long time ago, and from the time that it was built and now, there's been so many amazing changes in the space of things and features that look great on websites and functionality and things like that. So today, I'm going to show you a bit of a before and after snapshot of what a website could look like if you get your website nicely rebuilt. Now, these guys are a removalist company. They're based in Sydney and they do a lot of interstate removals. So the big focus for them was they want to look professional and they want to be able to showcase the types of jobs they do and the locations they travel to. Now, the old website, as you can see here, it's pretty dated. I mean, back in the day, it might have been okay, but there's a lot of things here which make it look pretty old. So, and truthfully, the pages on there didn't really serve very well. So what we've been able to do is update this website to make it look like this. And now it is so nice and fresh with all the click-to-call functionalities and the get a quote forms and all this kind of stuff really front and center. So this, and you can see here, the messaging on this website really speaks to, we do local and interstate. And as we scroll down, all the content's been professionally copywritten to represent the locations they travel to, and they're putting a really big emphasis on case study. And these guys do a fantastic job with capturing media and getting client testimonials and things like that. Social media proof, they do a really good job of that. And you can see that they've got lots of photos here to support, which meant we didn't have to use any stock images, which is absolutely amazing. So if you guys are in the space of considering getting a website built or rebuilt, you start getting photos because you don't want to have to use stock images. So you can see here that the difference is absolutely phenomenal. Great photos here with clients, which this guy's always really good at doing. Customer reviews, things like that. And then down the bottom here, we've been able to include a lot of location pages, which has a bit of an SEO. But yeah, all in all, really great looking website, and it's going to serve these guys so well, and they're absolutely stoked about it. And so anyway, if you guys have any interest in updating your website, or if you wanted to get something brought up to speed, which included a lot of the new features, or you wanted to get some SEO built into your website, reach out to tradiewebguys.com.au. We do this all day, every day, and we'd love to have a chat with you. Ciao. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that episode. Please, while you're here, subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Now listen, if you are a trade-based business and you work in projects, roofing, bathrooms, kitchen renovations, home renovations, solar installations, that kind of thing, we would love to be able to showcase you as our next success case. Insane return on ad spend over here. We're talking 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 13,000% return on ad spend week in, week out with some of our clients, and we would love to put you in that picture. So please head across to tradie.wiki/YT for YouTube. Tradie.wiki/YT for YouTube. I look forward to chatting to you soon. Enjoy the next episode, and thank you for all your support.